For 2015, the Lincoln Navigator comes standard with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. It combines best-in-class towing power with efficiency, an engineering feat born of technology that's both sophisticated and proven. Direct injection produces a fuel charge that's fine, dense, and cool. Turbocharging focuses extra air into the engine to increase power and efficiency. Together, they combine to produce 380 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque for smooth, confident acceleration whenever you need it. Uphill, into the wind, around the bend, EcoBoost maximizes power and efficiency out of every cylinder stroke.